This video will be a high-level overview of the process to create a new crash report in Ethos. To start a new report, open the New Reports collapsible menu on the left side of your dashboard and select the crash report form available to you. You can also click the Create New Report drop-down menu at the top of your screen to start a new report. The left side of the screen shows the different sections of the report that will need to be completed. You can jump between these sections at any point without losing any progress on your report. Red exclamation points indicate that there are required fields in that section that need a value in order to pass the validation process. Start with the General Information section and begin filling out your crash report form. Ethos will automatically save your progress as you work. As you provide values in the required fields, the error indicator in the top right-hand corner will update. When all required fields have a proper value, you will see a green check mark next to the section name. Once this general information section is complete, move to the location section of your report. On this section, you will work to identify the location of the crash. First, select any values that are appropriate for identifying the location of this accident. Notice how selecting one of these values will open up additional fields down below. Once the proper values have been selected, click the Map Location button. The map will open and load your current location or the default location that was previously saved in your user profile. Zoom and scroll around the map and click the map to identify the location of the accident. You can manually adjust any of the location values that are returned. When you have the correct location identified, click the Export button at the bottom right corner to bring those location values back to your form where you can make any final adjustments. Continue on to the Crash Detail section where you can provide information about weather conditions, road conditions, traffic control devices, and other information that your state requires. Be sure to provide a value for all required fields. The Unit Summary section is where you add the involved parties. Start by clicking Add Unit. Under the Unit 1 section, select the unit type. Proceed to fill out the fields shown on the different sections nested underneath Unit 1. In these sections, you will be recording information about the vehicle, the operation of the vehicle, the driver, the owner, and any passengers. You can add additional units as needed. The Diagram and Attachments sections gives you tools to simply recreate a visual representation of what occurred in the accident and save any photos that were taken. Click the Diagram button to open a blank canvas. Simply drag and drop different objects onto your diagram canvas. Add roads, vehicles, labels, and hundreds of other objects as you work to create an accurate diagram. When complete, click the Save icon in the top right corner and exit out of the Diagram tool to bring the completed diagram back into your report. If there are photos from the accident site, click the Browse button to upload those photos from your device. Photos attached in this section will not be printed on the finalized report. The Narrative section gives you a place to type out your crash report narrative. Be sure to test our tools that give you the ability to verbally dictate your narrative using the microphone on your device, or use the Smart Narrative tool, which uses information from the report you just created to automatically populate a template narrative for you. The finalized screen will list for you any required fields that have not yet passed the validation process. If all required fields have been satisfied, add your signature to the form and click the Submit button to send the report to your supervisor for final review.